Hello guys, in this video let's send a service bus message with user property from Visual Studio C#, and then we will check that this message should get delivered to subscription S1 which has that filter created for that user property. We are in Azure portal and in subscription S1 within this topic, first topic, and if we go down, see there is already a filter defined, and if I open this, so it's a correlation filter for custom property city is equal to Mumbai. Now let's send a message from Visual Studio which should match with this custom user property. Now we are in Visual Studio. We have created this console app. We are in program.cs file. So first we have installed required NuGet packages. Then we have connection string to connect to that topic name, subscription to which we will send this message. Then we created service bus client. We created service bus sender. Now guys, we are well aware about this part of the code. Okay. Then we created this class user which has just two properties, username and city. We created this instance user1 with username John and city is equal to Mumbai. Then we serialize this user1 instance using JSON convert, and finally we have created this service bus message from this instance user1. Okay, and now let's add a user property to this service bus message. And how we will do it? I'll say application properties is equal to, here I will say city comma Mumbai, and that's it. And now finally send this message to the topic. So for that, what I will do is await service bus sender dot send message async message. So let's save our code. Let's add a debugger on line number 36 and let's run. So our debugger has been hit. That means that message must have been written to the service bus. So let's go and check. Let's go to overview. Let's go down. See, S1 shows one message. Let's open it. Service bus explorer. Pick from start. See this message John and city Mumbai, and if I go to message property, I can see city is equal to Mumbai as well.